Your employees' risky online activity threatens your company, and they don't even know it. Why? Because once a year cyber training doesn't work, and they have no idea what they're doing wrong. Integrated Cyber views cybersecurity differently. We're proactive and laser-focused on preventing breaches, starting with your employees. We'll get them to stop clicking on risky links, and when they do click, we'll retrain them. We'll make them part of the solution and reduce your company's cyber risk. As a side benefit, this will help them at home. Additionally, we'll focus on your active cyber vulnerabilities. We'll help you find and prioritize remediation to further protect against cyber attacks. What makes us different? We're proactive and focused on reducing cyber risk in your environment while you're busy trying to keep up with the onslaught of cyber incidents. For a proactive approach to a simplified and demystified cybersecurity solution, call Integrated Cyber.